In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay expenses with owner funds in QuickBooks Online. This is perfect for situations where the owner pays a business expense out of pocket and you want that cost to appear in your books without affecting your bank balance. We'll enter the expense, make sure it hits the correct expense categories, and offset it with an owner investment so the transaction totals zero. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click New at the top left. From the Create menu, select Expense. This form is where you'll tell QuickBooks who was paid, what it was for, and how to classify it. In the Payee field, enter the vendor or company the owner actually paid, and set the date to when the money was spent. Using the actual payment date helps keep reports accurate and aligns with your receipts. Next, select the payment method used. Since this was paid with owner funds, choose whatever matches reality, such as cash, personal credit card, or personal bank. This doesn't move money in QuickBooks, it's just a clear record of how the owner covered the purchase. Now add the category details. Choose the correct expense accounts that describe what the business bought. For example, office supplies, software, meals, or whichever category fits, and enter the amounts. If the purchase covered multiple things, you can use multiple lines so your reports are precise. The total of these lines should equal the full amount the owner paid. Add one more line in the category details called Owner Investment and enter the amount as a negative number equal to the total of the expense. This line offsets the expense entries. By making it negative, you're telling QuickBooks to create a transaction with a balance of zero, which means no money leaves your business bank account today, but your expenses are still recorded and the owner's contribution is tracked in equity. Give it a quick review for accuracy, then click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded an owner-paid expense properly without affecting your cash balances. If you later decide to reimburse the owner, you can just create a check for them, and this will record the reimbursement in QuickBooks. That payment will reduce the balance of the owner's contribution you recorded earlier. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use the memo field to note that the expense was paid with owner funds, attach the receipt for documentation, and keep the date consistent with the actual purchase. If you're unsure which expense category or equity account name to use, a brief check with your accountant can keep everything perfectly aligned.